The news from the middle of the ground, the Adelaide Strikers have won the toss. They will bowl first.
Crucial game for both of these teams.
Start, Shorty.
Matt Short, he has been hit a bit here recently with his faster deliveries.
Hit hard and right into the gap. Good start. Straight to the man. Couldn't have picked him out any better.
I suppose you could argue that the shot was on.
Hasn't got every bit of it. It's a short boundary, as Bish said, and that's good enough. Beautiful shot. Proper. Half volley. Shot. Too short, picked off. Straight up. Alex Carey will take this. Big strike. Right, look good, he's got to go.
And it's brought him undone, trying to chase that short boundary Bish talked about earlier. So Mac Wright, who's been in form, has got to go.
And he remains out of sorts.
He came in outside the line there, I think, to try to go leg side, but the line was adjusted wonderfully by Overton, who's bowled well this season. He's bowled very well this season in terms of wicket taking and economy.
Drags it down and it's hit really hard. Has he picked the man out? Yes, he has. This night is not going in the right direction for the Hurricanes.
Landing the ball nicely to start his spell and enticing Anderson to chase that short boundary.
Slip coming in. That's a really good bit of work from Alex Carey. Gone. This is a blistering start. Crashed. Big ball. Second tier. Good call, Bluey. That's comfortably into the crowd. In the game. Straight down the throat of Jamie Overton. They keep losing wickets at bad times.
Well bowled, Lloyd Pope.
Man parked under it. Oh, it carries. Flies away. So, a couple of boundaries better from the Hobart Hurricanes.
That's 6 again, I reckon.
It is. They're two good blows.
Catch. No.
Big over this.
Jet.
Gordon, been superb. 4 more. Straight hit. Does not move. That's over the fence. That's that short boundary. And McDermott accesses it again. Straight again. And Overton can't get there. Mid-off up. It's intelligent batting and it's a beautiful strike. Jordan throws the hands at it.
Wow.
What about this? That's landing on the concourse. LBW shout. Shake of the head. 200 bit overs left. You may as well have a look.
Might as well. Bish gave it out from up here. His finger up.
Original decision is not out. Impact is in line. Wickets are hitting. Thank you. If you could put the umpire back on screen, please. Nathan, you're on screen now. I'll get you to change your decision to out, please. Make your signal now.
Right into the gap. It's been a feature of this innings from Ben McDermott. Jumped on anything loose. And his field awareness has been superb. Great batting. This has been a really good innings from Ben McDermott. Finishing in style. What an innings. Hell of an innings from Ben McDermott has given the Hobart Hurricanes something to defend. 7 for 165. Is that going to be enough? They present this form of the game very well in this part of the world. Big crowds. This one comfortably over 20,000. 166 needed from the 120 balls. So back end of that innings really good for the Hurricanes. Now they've got to execute with ball in hand. Meredith. Away for 4. Good start for Matt Short. Short jumps all over that. He loves this matchup. Matt Short. Oh, wow. What is it about the Hurricanes that Matt Short loves? 20 from the first over. Got it away fine. Ball's winning. Gone. Dispatched. He's got a glint in the eye, Matty Short, none for 33. Sure, he got every bit of it. Oh no, just got it back.
Felt like we had a little bit of momentum going into this innings.
That's 4, I reckon, by the way, Chris. We're just seeing the replay. The elbow was on the rope.
There's a hell of a partnership between you and Benny McDermott.
How hard did he hit that?
Yeah, the only way we really stop a partnership like this is by taking wickets. So you have to keep attacking the stump as much as possible.
For the strikers. And it keeps getting better. Should be out. And it is. That's the wicket Chris Jordan was talking about.
Yeah, absolutely outstanding catch too from Tim David. Darcy Short goes for 18 off 9. Strikers 1 for 45.
That's 4. Pick the teeth out of that.
Not sure there's going to be much left of that ball. Oh, shot.
4 more. Massive power play for the strikers. 57 for the loss of 1. Not if the ball keeps disappearing. Have some of that. Oh, dropped. So nearly. Tim David.
It's an extraordinary effort. That was well struck by Chris Lynn.
Beautiful. Class batting.
Yeah, that's the word, JB.
Shot. Beautiful shot. Four more.
Ow.
Catch it. Yeah.
Big wicket. Necessary wicket. Dooley hangs on.
An excellent innings. Goes for 45. Strikers 2 for 103.
Again, beautifully played. Right into the gap.
Yeah, I didn't quite understand that delivery, actually, unless he got the line.
Picks the man out. Gone. Is there life still in this game for Hobart? Big ball. Huge ball. Got him! They're hanging in. Swings it away. Good result. There we are. Quality batting from Alex Carey. Gets over. And with the speed, that'll run away. Finds a way through. 4 more. Umpire not interested at all.
Thank you. There's no bat involved there. If you could put the umpire on screen, please.
Yeah, absolutely. If you're not sure and you're in dire straits like this.
Same part of the ground as the first boundary. Out. Picks the man out. Word. And there's the game. The Adelaide Strikers. Well done, Cam Boyce. And well done to the Adelaide Strikers, who keep their tournament alive.